Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be preparing another random dessert, and this time Alexa chose for me a book called Delicacies for Two People, and the dessert she chose is called French pancakes with strawberry cottage cheese filling. Not sure how to translate that because it's not exactly cottage cheese, but something else, whatever. Anyway, that's what we are going to be preparing today, with the slight alteration that I'm going to use raspberries instead of strawberries because I couldn't find strawberries. I mean, at least fresh ones, and I don't like frozen strawberries. They're not the same, they're just not. Okay, anyway, let's do it. conclusion, I think this did not exactly work out as intended. I'm not sure what I did wrong. Maybe the heat was too high, which is really hard to figure out on this sort of stove. So yeah, that could have been one of the issues, or I should have done it totally differently, not as the recipe told me to, because it kind of felt wrong. And I don't know if you can see my cats, but they're trying to tear down every cover I put up because cats. Anyway, so this didn't particularly work out well. I don't know, the whole filling was way too much. It made absolutely no sense to put it in while the thing was still in the pan. I don't know, it's just not well. But everything tasted great. So the ingredients themselves, the whole recipe itself was actually good, but the preparation, I think I failed at that. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. I don't know how I'm actually supposed to make this, so yeah, there's that. But hey, we learn from our mistakes, so I guess this was another one of mine. Anyways, thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, press the subscribe button and the like button, and any other buttons you find, you can press them. That's what they're for. Okay, bye.